it's been a while since I did a video on the DR650. Still love it. It's performing awesome. Just picked up a new tire for it today. Finally wore out the stock one there. Not much left of it. It's getting pretty useless in the sand and stuff. So it lasted me almost 7,000 K. So the factory tire is a 120/90/17. And they didn't have that size in the tire I wanted, but they did have a 130/80/17, which is pretty close. It'll fit. Way more aggressive tread. This is the Mitas E-07 Plus. Pretty good reviews about it. Just gonna install it myself. Bought a new tube for it. Front tire, I didn't get the matching front tire. I'm gonna run this one a little bit longer. Okay, I got the wheel and the tire off. Comes apart pretty easy. It's cool, has a rubber isolated drive sprocket. I didn't actually know that. I guess most bikes have that. So I got the old tire off. Fought me a little bit. It was kind of hard to break the bead. Got my tire bars. And I actually used this C-clamp. Big C-clamp to break the bead. And I just went slow, took my time, was careful not to scratch the rim too bad. Did okay. Now I gotta get the new tire on. Okay, so I just was checking out the factory tube, and it will actually work for a 130/80/17 or a 120/90. So I like to put some baby powder in the tire. Just helps the tube settle. So I like to, if I can do this, oh yeah, just put some baby powder in there. Try not to make too much of a mess. Oop, it doesn't want to go around. But you get the idea. Work it around in there, all the way around. Not too much though. Baby powder and soapy water, but don't mix the two. Otherwise it'll make a paste. I only use the soapy water once I get everything installed, just to kind of help me get it seated. Okay, put some air in the tube. Just make sure it fits real good. Cleaned up all the excess baby powder, because you don't want that on your bead. Might cause some problems. Okay, tire's doing good. Got me out here to the middle of nowhere. Went through some muskeg. Doing way better than the stock one. Now I need to get one of these E-07 Pluses on the front. It's fine for now. It handles fine on the highway and on gravel and in grass. So honestly, no problems with mix and matching the tires. I tested it for on the highway, back and forth for handling, and just trying to wear the tire in nice and even, get it hot. And tried out the death wobble, which these bikes don't have. They're pretty steady. But I intentionally tried to get it into a wobble, and it won't. It's completely steady on the road. Handles nice. Nothing scary. No surprises. This is a cool place. I haven't been out here before. Just a clearing in the middle of nowhere. It's probably an old oil well site. Long time ago. Just because there's a land location sign there. Been reclaimed. Pretty cool. Wow. I don't know if maybe the sand conditions are a little better today, but holy cow. This tire is way better. Way better in the sand. I guess the other one was pretty wore out too, but even when that tire was new, I used to come here lots. And nothing like this. Way better. So much more fun now. It actually goes where I want it to instead of running at a speed and falling over. I tried recording with my drone, but typical DJI problems. I spent like an hour trying to get it to work till I gave up. Connection issues between the controller and my phone. So, I don't know. I got a few little videos, but I don't know if any of them really saved properly. I'll try and set my phone up here somewhere so I can show you a little bit how well it goes. So there you have it. Way better tire. Love it. What I did there at the one time, I climbed that little hill and then continued on. The stock tire would have never done that at all. I would have just ran out of steam halfway and fallen over. So yeah, definitely worth it. Upgrade your stock tires. Thanks for watching. Oh, another one. Crazy. Exactly the same thing happened 4 summers ago when I was at this exact same spot making a video about my 2018 DR650. Huh. That's cool. Nicer day today. Sunny. Very peaceful. Just out here this morning, getting back in touch with nature. Hanging over this cliff. Probably kind of dangerous. But yeah, still loving the bike. It's doing good. All the modifications I did are holding up pretty good.